Hello, welcome to Georgetown Manor PA, offering spacious and high-quality apartment homes in South Williamsport, Pennsylvania. Today I'll be taking you on a virtual tour of an apartment at 480 East 5th Avenue. Entering the front door of this first-floor home, we come into a spacious living room with a separate dining room area outside of the kitchen. All of the carpeting in this apartment is brand new. Let's head into the kitchen. The appliances you see here are all included with the apartment, and I want to point out this home has a dishwasher in addition to the range and fridge. Speaking of helpful appliances, did you know that all of our apartments have their own washer and dryer right in each unit? Doing laundry has never been so easy. Moving down the hall into the bathroom, this newly remodeled room has a full-size tub and shower, modern vanity, new luxury vinyl flooring, and a linen closet behind the door for bonus storage. This bathroom's light fixture is also new, and so is the recessed medicine cabinet. Here we have the larger bedroom, roughly 11 by 15 feet, with all new carpeting. You can see the 4 windows in this room let in a lot of natural light. But the best part of the room is the 25 square foot spacious walk-in closet. Last up is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. This room is about 10.5 by 11 feet and also has a nice sized closet. Thanks so much for stopping by for a virtual tour. If you'd like to join our community, please visit us at georgetownmanorpa.com or view the information in the description box below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to get notified when new tour videos are posted. If you want to tour more of our apartments, please check out the playlist on the bottom right. We hope you decide to make Georgetown Manor your home.